Hey, Dustin here from OCD, San Diego's most obsessed detailing and ceramic coating company. So we have customers ask us often if it's a good idea to protect their vehicle from the moment that they get it. And we agree that it is. Put it this way, we take a $1,000 cell phone and we won't even use it until we get a screen protector on it, till we get a case on it. We don't even like the feeling of it sometimes. Now think about your vehicle's paint system. The single most expensive piece on your car, go ask a body shop what it takes to repaint your car at a quality OEM factory finish. So the idea that we're going to use a cell phone without a case or a protective cover is blasphemy. We think you should think the same way with a protective paint protection film like Clear Bra or a ceramic coating to really get that OEM paint protected for a long period of time from the get-go before we get any chips, cracks, or stains on it. If you'd like to learn more about ceramic coatings or paint protection film and protective services, give us a call today. Come by the shop, visit us online at officialcaliforniadetailing.com.